Doc Martin, 2018 Tucson Gem and Mineral Shows. The mineral shows here at KRAZ TV will show you from this undisclosed location. Maybe they won't remain undisclosed for soon. This is live, zero channel, KRAZ TV presenting 2018 Tucson Mineral Shows. Well, the mystery's solved. It's still Mineral and Fossil Co-op, but yes, they are painting the building. They got to put the letters up. I thought they'd done something else. But that's where we're at, in the plethora of the wonderfulness. Very nice. Thank you for having us here.
Welcome, sir.
And Dr. Barker, he will be here soon.
He will be here like 1 hour like this.
Yes. Well, thank you, and good seeing you again this year.
Thank you.
Well, folks.
And welcome.
Yes, welcome to the 2018 Tucson Mineral Shows here at Sahara Sea and Mineral and Fossil Co-op. Check these points out. You have crinoids and crocodiles. Check them out. I'll be right back from KRAZ TV inside Mineral and Fossil Co-op here at Sahara Sea?
Sahara Sea Collection.
Sahara Sea Collection. That's from the mouth of the people who work here. Goodbye. Well, since it's 2018, look at these trilobites, baby. I mean to tell you. Tiny ones. Now we're going to have the complete video over at the Zero channel. You'll see the trailer at KRAZ TV. We'd like for you to get the app because I show the complete movies this year. You know, I've been in it for so long. It's only, what, $5? The best $5 you ever gave. It shows a lot more than just KRAZ TV. It shows you all the places in Tucson where you can get straighter hats. Hey, thanks a lot. There's places to eat, things to do, and the view from here is gorgeous. Doc Martin, KRAZ TV. Starfish. All of these are authentic and original. They've just been cleaned, and so there's been lots of work.
Whitney.
They're busy down here. They're setting up, and so I'm going to go walk through here and show you more of the Fossil Co-op, KRAZ TV, from inside Sahara Sea Collection. KRAZ TV. Oh, Dr. Steve from Geo World. He has Paleo Pet. I showed you that. Maybe he'll get to show us again. So I'm inside Geo World. You see him. Dr. Steve. KRAZ TV. Well, 2018 Tucson Mineral Shows. Here inside the Mineral and Fossil Co-op is the Sahara Sea Collection. Down through here, there's Geo World. So, ooh, look at the big rhino. Wild. Well, nobody's here. It's just still a little early, but people are, and the warehouses stay here, but so they stay around all year, like Superb Minerals. But this year we're making Superb Minerals our feature, and these last year was our feature first. So, Dr. Steve Hunters, the ultimate paleontologist, drstevehunters.com. There it is. Baby Rex, the paleo pet. So we'll take movies of him because we did show last year the little dinosaur. Bye. I'll be right back. KRAZ TV inside Mineral and Fossil Co-op. Well, here's Dr. Steve Hunters, the Geo World, bringing the past into the future. A new spokesperson in the Geo World family. So here's his little story, how he came to be as a child, and he did studies in paleontology in the Alps and got his PhD, and now he's Dino Kid Experts, helping young children and everyone learn about fossils. So from Geo World here at Fossil and Mineral and Fossil Co-op, Doc Martin showing you another small clip. Well, inside the Mineral and Fossil Co-op, there's also Larson Paleontologist. LarsonPaleo.com. This is their little booth. Another member of the Mineral and Fossil Co-op, Carrie ZTV. The bug house. Well, these are ancient bugs because there's a trilobite. Here it is, the co-op, Mineral and Fossil Co-op. Like us on Facebook.com. Yes, this gentleman, Ricardo, I think his name, Red Gallery, Rare Earth Decor. They're the ones that had the gold-plated dinosaur and the bronze. So from Red Gallery, that's right. That's right, Red Gallery and Carrie ZTV. Well, the bug house is all through here. He has quite a collection. And you know, they got to get them out to other sites. Even though their main warehouse and their storages and stuff is inside here, they do have multiple sites like Kino and whatever shows that they're in. So it all has to be allocated. And so from Western Hills, another vendor here. Goodbye. Western Hills. Russell-zuhl, Mineral Fill, Madagascar, Geo Decor, Ron Coleman Crystals. That is at the end of the Mineral Fossil Co-op. So they're all closed and it's silent in here. I'm going to go down to Sahara Sea collection and we'll see if Doc Barker, he'll be in a minute, and we'll show you the big teeth.
Megalodon jaw.
Yeah.
The biggest in the world.
Yes, last year Dr. Barker showed, but it was up on the wall. Here it's flat.
Yeah.
So we're walking around the teeth. This is big enough to go swimming in.
Yeah. It's the biggest in the world.
Yeah. And from inside Sahara Sea Collections at Mineral and Fossil Co-op, the things you'll find, check this out. And then, of course, here at Sahara Sea, they have mineral collections, cabinet specimens, vanadinite, yes, Al-Nif. So, these are from Al-Nif. I don't know. I think it's Morocco. I'll see you. Carrie ZTV inside Sahara Seas. Well, Doc Martin roaming, that's right, on the back side of Mineral and Fossil Co-op here in Tucson, Arizona. I'm glad you got to watch. Listen, I'm going to go out front and we'll say goodbye, and then we'll be back to shoot more when Doc Barker and all the other guys and folks here to give us interviews and stuff. But we're going to put them on as featured vendors here at Fossil and Mineral Co-op here for the 2018 Tucson Mineral and Gem and Fossil Show here in Tucson. See you, goodbye. Well, the tiger outside the window is from Fossil and Mineral Co-op, Sahara Seas. See ya, saber-toothed tigers. And from the busy boulevard outside Mineral and Fossil Co-op, this is our parting shot. A huge old log of petrified wood. Carrie ZTV.